to today's STEAM challenge. I'm Julie, a librarian here at the Elyria Public Library System. Today we're going to make Valentine's Day slime. So first we're going to add some school glue. You can use clear if you have it, or white. And it's a half a cup if you're making it on your own. And then we're going to add half a cup of water. And then you can add, for Valentine's Day, we're adding red food coloring glitter, but you can make it whatever fun color that you love. I put in like 5 drops of food coloring. And then you can put in glitter, and then you'll stir it real well to get all the things combined. And get the color spread around. And then you'll add half a cup of liquid starch. And then you'll stir for about 5 minutes till it starts getting very slimy.
Go ahead.
The slime's ready. Cool. Thanks for watching today's STEM challenge. You can check out other videos on Elyria Public Library YouTube channel. With this slime, there will be a limited amount of take-home slime kits here at the South Branch Library location only. They will be available starting February 1st. We hope you can grab one and have fun making your own Valentine slime. Bye!